Okay, FDIC 2019, come to Indy. It'll be a fantastic opportunity to see great classes. I'll be doing a 4-hour workshop on critical decision making. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and dissect many critical decisions that have been occurred through fire, EMS, military, and we'll discuss how those decisions were decided upon and the outcome. Critical decision making is a skill. It's something you learn. You just don't get it from just being in the jump seat or riding on the rescue company. You'll be able to refine your skills. You'll be able to understand what decisions you made, the good, the bad, the differences. Well, what I want you to do is come to my class, review some of the greatest decisions ever made by firefighters and military operators. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and figure out why those operators made their decisions, why the fire officers made their decisions, and look at the commonalities between those decisions. FDIC 2019, can't wait to see you. I'm Michael Barakey for G Beach Fire Department. Can't wait to see you in my 4-hour class. Thank you.